Hello everyone, greetings to you. In this video, I am going to explain a little on the encryption and the decryption using the address services URL. We've already taken you guys through, and I just want to add up so that those of you who couldn't join or who couldn't get the full understanding would by this video get it more clearer. There are a lot of things here, okay, but just focus on the encryption and the decryption. The hashing tool is here. You can try the hashing, but what we are going to do now is the encryption and the decryption, which is more technical as compared to the hashing. Okay, now when you come to encrypt, we are going to encrypt a document. So just come to document and pick the public key option, not the password option. So come and click on the public key option so that you receive this particular thing. Now here you are giving this particular modal box. Okay, this is the encryption section. If you want to decrypt, you click on this one, encrypted document private key. Then here you are going to see this particular section also, where this section becomes the receiver and this becomes the sender. Okay, so let's go to encryption. Now this is encryption. Oh, what is this? Always has to pre-fill with my app. Now this is the section where we are going to encrypt the document. I've already generated the key. You can click this generate pair. Okay, you click on this generate pair to generate the key. So let's say let me delete these ones. Okay, let me delete these ones I created first so that we'll start all afresh. Let me delete this one. Good. Now this is the receiver and the sender. When you come to the application, I click on generate pair. So I have generated one pair. It could be for the receiver, it could be for the sender. I'm just generating the keys. It is assumed that everybody has these keys provided by the company. Then I click on generate again to generate another pair. Okay, so another pair, which this one I'm giving it to the receiver. It doesn't mean the first one is for the sender and always the second will have to be for the receiver. Any of them. Okay, depending on the particular thing you are doing. If you are the person sending, you use your own keys. If you are the person receiving, you use your own keys. So it is interchangeably. Okay, now let me clear it off. We don't need it here again. So now I'm supposed to encrypt a document. I am the manager. I'm encrypting a document for the secretary to decrypt. What I have to do is I'll just click here and drag in the document, or select the document for it to show over there. Let me find a simple save document. Okay, let me use this PDF document. Okay, this is just a PDF document. I can just use it. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, let me use this one. So this is a receipt. I am encrypting this receipt for the secretary to decrypt. Now here, the one encrypting, you need to provide in your public key and your private key. Now I come and copy my public key, and I come here again to copy my private key. Then I need the public key of the one to receive the document. Then I just click on encrypt. So now the document has been encrypted. Let me download it and let's see what happens in the document. Okay, so this is it. I click on that. So you see it has added .enc to it. And when I open the document, I'm going to see a lot of stuffs that are actually not the real content of the document. It means that, you see what is now showing. Some values, letters, symbols, that doesn't make any meaning. It doesn't make any meaning at all. Okay, this is what happens. It has been encrypted. Okay, now the next thing is for the secretary to decrypt the document. So I come to decrypt. Then in the decrypt section, you will see that now here has changed to be receiver and sender. It means that the one to decrypt becomes the receiver because you are going to decrypt something that has been encrypted. And here we are saying the secretary is the receiver. So I copy the receiver's public key Then I copy again the receiver's private key. Then here I only need the public key of the sender. Then I click that here. What document am I going to decrypt? I just click on that one. Okay, I don't need to even click on that one. Let me open it directly from here and drag it into it. Okay, so I just drag this document in here. So this is the document we have encrypted. You see, when we encrypted, it received enc.enc as extension. It means it has been encrypted. Okay, now the moment I upload it here, so you see nothing is here. I just click on decrypt. Then I come here, the document has been decrypted back to the original as it were. Then I can download it for us to see what is actually in this document that was encrypted. When I click on open, now you see this is what was in the document. Okay, this is what was in the document, which was encrypted. So basically that is how the encryption and everything works. The public key and the private key and the public key of the receiver to encrypt, and the public key and the private key of the receiver plus the public key of the senders would also be used to decrypt, so that the content of the document will be seen and will be displayed as it was. Thank you, and see you in the next session. Bye bye.